In this lesson, we will focus on using the Versa policy engine to create SD WAN policy, which includes traffic steering and application steering. SD WAN policy refers to creating rules for how traffic is forwarded across SD WAN links, or for site-to-site links. In the case where multiple transport networks are connected to a site, and a remote site can be reached over multiple transport networks, SD WAN policy gives the administrator control over how the WAN links are used. It's common to reserve more costly and stable private circuits for critical or delay-sensitive traffic, and to direct less critical traffic over more cost-effective links. The traffic is destined to the same remote site, but the path taken to reach the remote site depends on the rules put in place by the administrator. Traffic load balancing can also be implemented where for some types of traffic, multiple SD-WAN transport paths are equal from an administrator perspective, and regardless of the transport type, they can be treated the same. It is possible to create a policy that prefers a link as long as it performs within a predefined set of parameters, but that changes link priorities in times when the link performance changes. SD-WAN policy does not process the traffic and choose how to treat the traffic. An SD-WAN forwarding profile is used to define how traffic should be treated. The SD-WAN policy identifies traffic based on the session characteristics or match parameters and directs matching traffic to a forwarding profile. The example shows a forwarding profile. The forwarding profile allows the administrator to define link priorities, connections to avoid, FEC and replication settings, next hop settings for policy-based forwarding, and SLA profiles that define what a good or bad link is for a specific type of traffic. The forwarding profile is where the policy sends traffic for processing. The SD-WAN policy uses the policy engine to analyze inbound sessions and match them based on an expanded set of properties. The session information that can be used for matching includes source and destination properties, Layer 3 and Layer 4 header information including port numbers, information provided by the application identification engine, URL strings and categories, user and group authorization information, and the forwarding class associated with the session. Sessions that match all of the defined fields can then be assigned to a forwarding profile in the Enforce tab. Fields that are left empty in any of the tabs are considered to match all sessions. The Enforce action is used to direct traffic that matches all of the matching criteria to a forwarding profile, where it is processed according to the rules within the forwarding profile. The policy does not perform any forwarding actions on the sessions. It is used to identify the traffic only and to direct it towards the next forwarding process.